In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change your IP address on Google Chrome. Start by opening Google Chrome and going to the Chrome Web Store. Once you are there, use the search bar to look for a reputable VPN provider. Some common examples include NordVPN, VPN Proxy Master, or Hide My IP. When choosing an extension, make sure it is from a trusted source and has solid reviews, since you are routing your browsing traffic through that service. After you find the VPN extension you want to use, click the Add to Chrome button. Chrome will then ask you to confirm the installation. Click Add Extension to continue. Give it a few moments to install. Once the extension has been added, Chrome will usually place it in your extensions area. Next, look to the top right corner of Chrome and click the puzzle piece icon to open the extensions menu. From there, select the VPN extension you just installed. This will open the extension so you can set it up and start using it. At this point, you may be asked to log in, create an account, or choose a plan, depending on the VPN service you selected. If the extension gives you the option to choose a server location, select the country you want to connect through. This location will determine the IP address that websites see, so choose the one that best fits your needs. Once everything is ready, click Connect or the power button inside the extension. After a few seconds, the VPN should become active, and your IP address will be changed. In many cases, the extension will show a connected status, so you know it is working. That covers everything you need to know.